I'm married. I had sex after 4 months with my husband. Then, after 2 days, I had unprotected sex with these three college guys. So, my question is, if I get pregnant, who will be the father of the child?
Yeah, I can handle this. Normal 6 questions ही होंगी ना? I can handle. And I think Dr. Mahi is no more needed for this. Yeah. Yeah, send me the first patient.
Hello, doctor.
Yeah, tell me.
I tried a lot of times to give myself a
Blowy?
blow job. Every day I tried to stretch either udar but never succeed at it. How can I give myself a blow job?
My boyfriend keeps his penis inside my vagina all night, the whole night. So, can it cause any problem?
डॉक्टर साहब, एक पंडित ने बोला था ज़्यादा हिलाओगे ना तो गिर जाएगा, ये सत्य है क्या?
Next.
Actually, I was having sex with my girlfriend yesterday. I ejaculated on her neck. But then the semen rolled down to her breasts and then went to the tummy and then popped into the panties. I'm just scared. Would she get pregnant?
I smoke cigarettes and chew tobacco, so I think because of this I'm going bald, and no girl wants to date me because of that. But my hair down here is very dense. Can my hair from there can be transplanted to my head?
I think you need to see a cosmetic surgeon for that.
Last night, I was playing poker with my husband. The poker chip accidentally fell into my vagina. Is there a chance that I might get pregnant?
How can a poker chip make a girl pregnant?
That means I'm not pregnant, right?
मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है अपनी बीवी को चीट करके। मेरे पास एक बकरी है रामलीला। पिछले 2 महीनों से मैं सोच रहा था उसके साथ यौन संबंध सेक्स करके कैसे लगेगा। मुझे कोई यौन संबंधित बीमारी तो होगा नहीं ना?
I get pleasure when I insert a venom into my veg. So is it harmful for me?
This is not going to harm you.
I actually have a, small penis. My girlfriend doesn't seem to be satisfied. But my astrologer told me to stretch it every day for 15 minutes while reciting a shlok. But I've been doing this for 1 month and it's not working out. Can you please help me what to do?
डॉक्टर साहब, ये नॉर्मल तो है ना, सेक्स करते समय गैस छोड़ना?
Next.
Can I get pregnant watching porn videos?
Can you tell me where is the G-spot in this doll?
डॉक्टर साहब, मैं एक सिंगल आदमी हूँ। 6 महीना पहले किसी की बीवी के साथ सेक्स किया था। 240 स्ट्रोक मारा था 40 मिनट में, बट अब 180 ही होता है। कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है ना मुझ में?
Eat ashwagandha daily 2 times. For a week, you will be able to do 360 strokes daily.
Since a lizard's tail grows back when cut, I was curious to know if the same thing holds true for my penis.
तुम्हारा डिक का और लिजर्ड का टेल का डिफरेंस तो रहेगा ना? Never try this at home.
डॉक्टर साहब, मेरा खड़ा है और मैं मर गया तो हमेशा के लिए खड़ा ही रहेगा क्या?
My boyfriend wants me to put edible things like ice cream, Szechuan sauce on his penis while we have oral sex. Will that create any health problem?
Use it.
डॉक्टर साहब, मेरा खड़ा होता है ना तो स्पर्म निकलता है ना 4 मीटर दूर जाता है। ऐसा क्यों होता है? कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है ना?
Use 10 HP motor. It will pump to 10 meters. Next. 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 Next.
He's my boyfriend. He wants to ask you something.
Is eating sperm healthy?
Please put Mahi online and please tell him that I quit and I am done. I can't do this anymore. Please.
if a black man, white man, Chinese man, and Indian man have sex, how will the child turn out?
Why do the pregnant women do not have their periods? Is the baby drinking blood?
Can I get pregnant having phone sex?